Helpful tips about how to make money online that are simple to follow. If you want to keep your wallet healthy, you must work hard. If you make sure to put your eggs into many baskets and work on them all diligently, you will find the money flowing in over time. This is very true if it comes to making money online. This video will help you make money online. You can make money online by playing games. Farm Gold is a great site that you can log into and play fun games during the course of the day in your spare time. There are many games that you can choose from to make this a profitable and fun experience. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways that you can make money online in your spare time. This type of marketing means that you will sell other people's stuff and get paid a commission when you do. There are all types of items that you can sell depending on your style. Complete surveys for money. Online surveys are plentiful these days. In fact, they are an excellent option for making money online. Depending on the site, they usually don't pay much. That said, if you have some spare time, they're better than nothing. Try freelance writing as a form of online income. There are many websites out there that open up the doors to freelance writing, like Odesk and Elance. With both, you can apply for and bid on online jobs of all types. Many of them are writing focused. If you're a fast writer that composes quality pieces, you can do very well. Provide services to people on Fiverr. This is a site that allows people to get anything that they want, from media design to promotions, for a flat rate of $5. There is a $1 charge for each service that you sell, but if you do a high quantity, the profit can add up. If owning your own blog is a bit too time-consuming, but you would still like to write and earn money, think about creating videos for existing blogs. There are a number out there, including weblogs and PaperPost. With a little research and a bit of initiative, you could get set up with one of these sites and start earning money in no time. Begin a blog. Setting up and maintaining a blog is a great way to earn money online. By setting up an AdSense account, you can earn money for each click that you receive from your blog. Although these click often get you only a few cents, you can earn some hard cash with proper marketing. You can make money online at home by doing research as an information broker. Many individuals and businesses need people to research information online and provide it to their advertising departments. Sometimes this is freelance work. Sometimes companies provide an actual position that may come with benefits. You can start out freelance, build your reputation, and then seek out a full-time position if you wish. You won't get rich overnight, but you can make decent money online. The harder you work, the more you will make, but having tips like those in this video can help you work more efficiently. Good luck, and hopefully you have a lot of success in your future. Student loan.